Hey guys, this is Pete Hooley. We're in the studio with the iX12 again. Tom went over how to power the transmitter on. I was going to give you a quick instruction on how to register your product. One of the first things that we suggest that you do is register your product on SpectrumRC.com. So you can usually go online and just create an account and register your product that way. We did a really cool thing. We actually integrated it into the Airware app itself, so you can actually update the transmitter from the transmitter, or register the transmitter from the transmitter. We'll give you a quick tutorial on how to do that. You'll first go into System Settings, then we'll go to our product information, and you can see right there, there's an icon listed at the bottom that says Register Transmitter. We can tap that button, we'll put in our information. We created a little test account here so you guys can get an idea what you'll be going through to register the product. And we'll put in our password. And then we can just hit login. You can also create an account, so you can select new sign up if you want. If you already have an account, you can just select login. And our login was successful. And you can see that the device registration was also successful. It's really that simple, guys. Just jump in and register the transmitter with your existing information. Really simple, quick and easy, and a good way to get started for security purposes to make sure that you have the transmitter tied to your name, and also for any updates or any additional information that you'd want to get on your iX12. Quick and easy and simple. Should get you guys going. And if you guys have any more questions on it, feel free to visit us at horizonhobby.com. And we'll have some more tutorial videos out for you guys as well.